In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Notion. If you're looking to better organize your projects and visualize your timelines, a Gantt chart can be an invaluable tool. We'll walk through the process step by step so that in just a few minutes, you'll have a dynamic chart to track your progress and plan your tasks efficiently. Let's get started. First, open up Notion in your preferred browser or app. Notion is a versatile workspace that allows you to create databases, write documents, and much more. Once you're in Notion, you'll begin by creating a new page. Look for the New Page button and click it. Creating a dedicated page for your Gantt chart helps keep your work organized, and it provides a central location for all the relevant data you'll be adding. Once your blank page is ready, you'll need to insert a table to structure your tasks. Type the hours table directly onto the page. You should see a menu pop up with options. From this menu, choose Table and then select Full Page. This option gives you a broad canvas to work with and makes it easier to manipulate your data as your project evolves. With your table set up, it's time to add the columns that will serve as the backbone of your Gantt chart. You'll want to create columns for task name, start date, and end date. These columns are essential because they will define your project's structure, providing clarity on what needs to be done and when. Now, populate your table with your project tasks. Begin by listing all the tasks you need to complete for your project. As you input each task, make sure to fill in the start date and end date columns accordingly. This will ensure that your timeline is accurate and reflects your scheduling needs. Having listed your tasks, move to the top left of your database and click on Plus Add View. This step allows you to transform your table into various views, including the timeline view essential for our Gantt chart. Select Timeline View from the options presented. This change is where your table begins to morph into a Gantt chart. Next, you'll need to give your new view a name. For clarity and easy reference, name it Gantt Chart. Now click on Create. Your Gantt chart should be taking shape, providing a visual overview of your project timeline. At this point, it's crucial to customize your chart to meet the specific needs of your project. You might want to adjust aspects such as the timeline scale or the color scheme to make the chart more legible and visually appealing. There you have it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in Notion. This tool will help you keep your projects on track, providing a clear visualization of tasks, start and end dates, and overall progress. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.